You search for how to buy shares of Credit Corp Group Limited, and this short tutorial will show the basic steps. Credit Corp Group Limited is a credit management company listed on CBOE US under ticker CCP.ASX, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CCP.ASX to locate the listing. Confirm the issuer name in the search results to make sure you select the correct Credit Corp Group Limited stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the right stock. Check that the exchange shows CBOE AUS and the ticker CCP.ASX before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and current value. For convenience, a link to the example platform is in the description if you want to explore the interface yourself.